In this video, we will learn how to manually tag a PDF. First, load PDFix and open your document. Locate the Tags panel to verify that the PDF does not contain any tags. Click on the Object tool in the top panel, which allows you to select existing objects in your document. We recommend using this tool when creating most of your tags. We are ready to create the first tag in our PDF. Left-click on the text of the first heading, which automatically selects the entire heading object. Right-click to open a menu and select Tag as H1. Examine the Tags panel to make sure that the initial tag was added correctly. We will use the same approach to tag the following two headings. We can now move on to tag our first text block. PDFix offers 3 different ways of selecting objects. First, you can left-click on the text. This selects a single object, in this case, a line, and not the entire block. You can also select the text with the press of the left button and drag of your mouse whilst the pointer is positioned on the desired object. Lastly, you can simply use a drag rectangle around the PDF object. Let's finish tagging the first page. Don't forget to tag the footer properly. This operation marks the object as an artifact, and therefore, it is not shown in the tag tree. Remember to check your tag panel regularly to make sure you don't forget any existing objects in your document. We can continue tagging the next page, starting with the header and moving on to the heading, list, and the following paragraph. PDFix makes it easy to tag complicated structures, such as lists or tables, with a simple button click. When tagging an object, the program automatically establishes the subtags based on the structure of the object. During the tagging process, the newly generated tag is always placed right after the currently selected tag. If the new tag is misplaced, you can drag and drop it to its proper place in the tag tree. In the last paragraph, we want to differentiate between the initial 3 words, which will be tagged as a heading, and the rest of the text. This can pose an issue for the Object tool when it selects an entire line instead of individual words. If you want to split an object into multiple different tags, we recommend using the Default tool, located in the top panel. The Default tool allows us to select the text by single letters. First, we can select and tag the rest of the text. Examine the Tag panel to make sure that only a part of the paragraph is tagged. We can then tag the heading and move it to its proper place. Last but not least, we will tag the remaining table using the Object tool. If your table is not tagged properly, you can create more precise results using a specialized table tool, which will be introduced in further videos. Finally, examine the Tags panel to ensure that your document is fully tagged. If your PDF is too long for you to tag manually, watch our auto tag video, which will guide you in the process of automatically tagging your document. If you already have a tagged PDF, but the tags are incorrect, You can fix the errors by following our other video tutorials available on our website or YouTube channel.